man, comparing these guys. Right?
Yeah, he's just ready to start out.
त्यसको त हाफ प्यान्टै फुट्ला जस्तो छ.
Good kick to the inside.
Another leg kick.
And it looks like Dipesh is here to prove a point. And that point being he is almost invincible.
You can expect a lot of showboating from this guy.
Man, those leg kicks gotta hurt.
Heavy leg kicks landed by Dipesh. Beautiful right hand. Both of these guys are training in the pocket. Dipesh got the better of those exchanges. Heavy leg kick.
Man. I think Dipesh has not missed in a while.
Went in for a takedown, but Dipesh did a wonderful job doing a reversal. Dipesh told me that he had been working closely in developing his grappling skills in his time where he was not scheduled to fight, and we can see that right now.
Kismat did a great job of standing up, avoiding.
He's injured his left leg. Kismat with those kicks. He's putting all his weight into his back foot.
And I can see that his lips are busted right now.
Some heavy shots, man.
Those heavy punches.
Shots, heavy confident shots, man. Clean shots.
And the thing is that Dipesh can fight in both stances, southpaw or
now he's just
orthodox.
having fun, I think, with the southpaw.
A lot of stalking. Heavy body shot.
And what would you say to Kismat at this point?
You go for the takedown, man. Don't stand with it.
Exactly
Right.
as I said. Oh my god, that shin to the dome.
How the hell did he eat that?
That was a shin to the dome, but it's
Bro,
Dipesh
you don't get named Khuni Etika, eh? You gotta take in shots like that.
you either
Have you seen Dipesh's legs? Bro.
you either take out the goon of yourself or someone else's, though.
ढेँडो र बदलको मासु खाएको ज्यान लाग्यो त मलाई कसम.
He's still standing, man. I don't believe this. Dipesh.
See, he's limping on his
Oh yeah.
left leg.
I think at this point Dipesh is just playing with his food, man.
त्यो खुट्टा अब राउन्ड 2 मा दुख्छ के त्यसलाई.
Those no shin guard leg kicks obviously hurt.
I think they just headbutted each other going into that exchange.
He was just super confident, man. Super confident.
As we come to the end of round 1, man. I think this round finally got everyone pumped. The second round of this exciting fight between Dipesh and Kismat. Dipesh looking to continue where he left off. Kismat trying to come back into the fight with some kicks.
Keeping his guard high up, ready to block all those shots that Dipesh might throw, but it is the leg kick that he needs to defend against mostly.
Almost like an easy takedown for Dipesh. This is where like a fighter gets dangerous, especially like when you have like a good striking background and now you've excelled in grappling game as well, and you leave your opponent to figure out like what they need to do. Whatever.
Dipesh now has 2 takedowns in this fight. Now they're stuck in full guard position right now. Khuni needs some sense of urgency to get up right now.
How does it get up from here?
So there's a couple of butterfly hooks. Try to.
Oh damn! That was,
Now that butterfly hook didn't work out well for Kismat, and now Dipesh is in mount.
Goes into half guard. I think Dipesh is a little tired. But so is Kismat.
Can he punch him with his wrist, just like what he did right now?
With this part.
With this. Not right.
I don't know.
Hammer fist.
Oh, yeah, he landed
Yeah,
with
palm
this part.
Forearm,
Oh, with the
forearm.
forearm now.
I mean, if it's not intentional, I think you can consider it. Kuni needs to do something to negate the mount right here. Otherwise, Dipesh is gonna land
He
a
might
lot of
possibly
heavy
have
strikes.
to give away his back at this point.
He's almost about to get the half guard right now. Only needs to turn towards him. But Dipesh is very sound with his grappling.
Just in complete control right now.
And Dipesh is also very heavy with his hips, so hips heavy, rakhe bane, it becomes difficult for the bottom person to move around, right?
But he's taking the shots, man, dude. If it,
Trying
this was
to
end of the
isolate that
end of
right
the
arm.
1 or 2 mata, we used to stop like this, no? Right? But this someone boy.
Try to go for an armbar. And Kuni is saved by the bell.
That was close, man. That was close.
Is that another round for Dipesh?
Possibly.
Another round for Dipesh. I surely believe so.
Cornered. Are suffering from losses.
Third and final round. Dipesh looking to make a bold statement by finishing off this fight before the bell. And Kismat desperately trying to save this fight. Both men exchanging kicks.
Oh, another heavy leg kick. That leg has got to hurt after he gets out of the cage.
Gonna be a painful morning tomorrow.
See, I believe Kismat should use a lot of more deep kicks since he has a longer reach.
It's just hard for Dipesh to miss at this point. Some good jabs by Kismat. Clash of heads.
And a shot at takedown by Dipesh. They now are on the wall.
Beautiful.
Dipesh has an outside rib and gets the takedown. But second round ma Kismat, he couldn't get up, but can he get up right now? He can use the wall on his favor, but will Dipesh allow that?
There's plenty of time for Dipesh to do some damage, possibly even finish this fight.
Almost had him tossed away. Heavy punches landed by Dipesh. The fight on those heavy barrages. Kismat somehow ended up giving his back.
I think the clash of heads sort of busted his nose open. Dipesh, but I don't think he landed anything that significant. And there's been a lot of blood today. Dipesh transitioning to full mount. 45 seconds on the clock. Referee Santosh Khatri taking a closer look.
A lot of energy expended on those strims and bridges, but nothing being done on
Kismat doing everything to survive at this point.
and the choke seems to be in. But Kismat is doing a good job defending the other hand, but not the choking hand. It is the choking hand that Kismat needs to pull out.
10 seconds on the clock.
Another moment where Kismat is saved by the bell from a submission. And
What
this
a
fight, absolutely beautiful. Both of these guys are bloody. I'm not very sure how Dipesh busted his nose.
I think the टाउट हो गया was like
Ola, ola.
as he went to that as he went to get a takedown.
From the blue corner, Dipesh Saru Nagar.
That was absolutely no doubts in that decision, I believe. from
Domination.
anybody.
Domination overall for Dipesh Saru Magar.